Guys, welcome to Photoshop tutorial, and in this video you are learning Photoshop tools, and in this section I'm going to show you crop tool. So the crop tool trims the part of the image according to the selection. For more information about this tool, I'm going to show you in a real Photoshop. Now let's get back to our example, and let me do one thing. Let's delete this layer. So press delete button into your keyboard, just select the layer. Okay, sorry guys, just select the layer. Okay, this one, and press your delete button, this one, in your keyboard. Okay, so just delete and delete. So we have now only one image. Once again, let's take any of the images. For example, this image I'm once again taking, and I want to take only this head, not the complete one. Okay, up to this one. I need only up to this one, not the complete image. In that case, just select this one, and here, or simply there are two options. Okay, you select it and then go to image, and there is option crop. So now image is cropped, and now you can save it as a different image, save for wave. And here you can see, now you can save the image wherever you like. Okay, Control J and it is now. And apart from that, from this tool you can directly crop from here. Okay, so just take the point, and one second, it's not a crop tool. Okay, let's select this and then drag this. Okay, that's it, and press enter. Press enter. Now it is cropped. And press Ctrl D, or simply press move tool, and now the image is here. Ctrl J. Once again, let me show you. If you press here, this one, crop, and then select this one and keep dragging. Okay, also after that you can adjust like this, or this is fair point you are seeing, this one you can move like this, and also you can adjust here. If you press shift key and then drag, then it selects proportionally, that means with square. And then you can move the image here and then press enter, so it now gets selected and cropped. So this way you can use the crop tool. The crop tool is also important because sometimes we don't need the whole image and only the part of the image. So in that case, this crop tool is useful. So that's it, this crop tool. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.